What is the secret of success? Let's understand through this story. In a small village there lived a boy named Aryan. He was very hardworking, but despite his efforts, he couldn't achieve success. Aryan often wondered why this was happening to him. One day, he decided to find answers to his questions by visiting a wise monk in the village who was known to have a solution to every problem. The next morning, Aryan reached the monk's ashram. The monk was meditating in a peaceful state. Aryan waited patiently without disturbing him. When the monk opened his eyes, Aryan bowed to him and shared his problem. Aryan said, "Guruji, I work day and night, but I don't achieve success. Please tell me what I am doing wrong." The monk smiled and said, "Do you wish to know the secret of success?" Aryan eagerly nodded. The monk said, "All right, but you'll have to pass a test first." Aryan agreed. The monk gave Aryan a spoon filled with oil and said, "Take this spoon and walk around the entire ashram, but make sure the oil does not spill when you return. I will reveal the secret of success." Aryan took the spoon and began walking slowly. He took every step cautiously to ensure the oil did not spill. After completing the round of the ashram, he returned to the monk. The monk asked, "Did you tour the ashram?" Aryan replied, "Yes, Guruji." The monk then asked, "Tell me what flowers are blooming in the garden? What paintings are hanging on the walls?" Aryan was startled and said, "Guruji, I don't remember anything. I was focused on not spilling the oil." The monk smiled and said, "All right, go again, but this time observe everything carefully. However, make sure the oil does not spill." Aryan went again. This time, he observed the flowers in the garden, the paintings on the walls, and everything else in the ashram. When he returned, a little oil had spilled from the spoon. The monk smiled and asked, "What did you see this time?" Aryan described the flowers in the garden, the paintings on the walls, and the beauty of the ashram. But then he said, "Guruji, I spilled some oil." The monk said, "Seriously, this is the secret of success. If your focus is only on one thing, you will miss everything else. And if you focus on everything, you will lose your responsibility. Maintaining balance in life is essential. Success comes when you focus on your goal while also appreciating the beauty of life." Aryan understood the monk's wisdom. He realized the importance of balance in life and adopted it soon. His hard work bore fruit and he achieved success. The secret of success lies in balance. Focus on your goals, but don't forget to enjoy the small, beautiful moments of life. Only by maintaining balance can we achieve true success.